this video, we will learn, is Creator Alliance legit or a scam? Creator Alliance has garnered attention as the platform designed to help content creators manage finances, monetize their work and access various tools for growth. But within any emerging platform, questions about its legitimacy are bound to arise. Based on user feedback and available information, Creator Alliance appears to be a legitimate service, offering a variety of financial solutions for many creators, including payments, analytics and community building tools. The platform is transparent about its features and offers clear terms of service, which is a good sign of legitimacy. However, like many newer services, some users have reported occasional technical issues or delays in payment processing. While these problems don't necessarily indicate fraud, they can affect user experience, leading to mixed reviews. It's essential for users to do their research before fully committing, reading up on recent reviews and checking for any red flags such as poor customer support or unresolved complaints. Overall, Creator Alliance appears to be a legitimate platform potential users should approach with caution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.